We'll discuss about magnetic dipole. If you take a bar magnet, it will have a north and a south pole. Di means two, so it has got bipolar. So how do you identify the north of a bar magnet? You bring a compass. The south will be attracted towards the north. So whichever direction the south shows, that is your north pole, and the opposite will be the south pole. If you break the magnet and it converts into a smaller magnet, even then there will be a north pole and a south pole. Now, did we do anything to make this bigger magnet into a smaller magnet? We did nothing. It is happening because of a concept called magnetic moment, which is denoted by M. It is a vector quantity. Basically, when you see a magnet, it will have domains. Inside these domains, these magnetic moments will be aligned randomly. And when you break it further, you will reach atomic level. Inside atoms there will be electrons, and there will be a spin of electrons. The spin of electrons is because of the magnetic moment. The spinning effect will decide how far the magnet can be magnetized. Now here we are discussing about this because a current carrying loop behaves like a bar magnet with dipoles. So if I take a current carrying loop, it will have its own north and a south pole. So how do we get this magnetic moment? Means it is obtained by NIA. I is current, A is the area, and N is the number of loops. Here this area vector is perpendicular to the plane of the loop. See, the loop definitely it will be having some plane, XY plane. Let us say it has got XY plane. Then if the loop is in the XY plane, my M will be in the Z direction. Now whether it is towards you or away from you, that has to be decided. But basically this M is always perpendicular to the area vector. Area vector here is in the XY plane. So we always talk that direction of M is always from south to north pole. It is S to N. This is the direction of M, and the magnitude can be obtained as told earlier. So we need to decide which side is the south and which side is the north. So the sign convention what we follow for a current carrying loop is the side from where the current seems clockwise is called the south pole, and the opposite side is called the north pole. So take an example. There is a current carrying loop. You can see I current over here. If I try to draw this in a 3D, so this current carrying loop can be visualized as a bar magnet. It will have its own south and north pole. You see here, if I see from my side, it is at this location P, it is looking like it has become clockwise. So clockwise means south pole. Let me say I am standing over here, I am seeing for this side. So this side it will be the south pole, opposite side will be the north pole. Imagine a person standing on the other side of the paper, then what will happen? When he sees from the other side, it will look like a north pole. That means if you see from this side, this will look like a north pole. So, because the direction of magnetic moment here will be from south to north. It is penetrating the paper, so I have put an into mark here. Similarly, take another example. The direction of current is shown like this. So this will be the M direction. So here you try to draw a 3D. There is a sheet. The direction of current is like this. So imagine a bar magnet penetrating to this. So where will be the north pole and where will be the south pole? That we need to decide. So when you see here, it is going in the anti-clockwise direction from the side I am seeing. So here it will be the north pole, here it will be the south pole, and direction of magnetic moment will be from south to north. This is just the reverse of this. This is just the reverse of the earlier case. So how do I decide the direction of magnetic moment? We use the right hand rule. Wrap your right hand fingers along the perimeter of the loop. The thumb will point towards the M. If I try to put this I loop on this paper, okay, if I take this example, if I put eye loop towards the paper. Now this paper becomes the plane of the loop. So I need to wrap my fingers like this. This thumb will point upward, that is towards me, that is the direction of magnetic moment. So that is denoted by a dot symbol here. Dot means it is towards you.